Learn Hindi from English. Useful public phrases with
यहाँ,
and.
मौसम,
Welcome to the phrase parade. Hey, you're about to learn Hindi through 5 super useful sentences, and yes, one of them may save you from smoking in the wrong place like a movie villain. Imagine you arrive in a strange building, holding a phone, a suitcase, and possibly too much confidence. A sign says,
यहाँ जर्मन बोली जाती है.
"Good to know." Then a cheerful radio voice announces,
कहते हैं, मौसम बेहतर हो रहा है.
"Great, because your hair has already suffered enough." Next, a helpful friend tells you,
इसे ऑनलाइन मंगाया जा सकता है.
so you do not have to march heroically to the shop. At the hotel desk you hear,
जल्दी आरक्षण करना चाहिए.
which is polite adult language for book early or cry later. And finally, on the wall, in very serious letters,
यहाँ धूम्रपान नहीं करना चाहिए.
excellent. You are now officially prepared for weather, websites, warnings, and wildly full hotels. Your first scene. Let's make the phrases stick by dropping you into a tiny travel comedy. Just listen and picture the chaos. You walk into a language center and ask, "So, what do people speak here?" A receptionist smiles and says,
यहाँ जर्मन बोली जाती है.
You nod wisely, as if this was exactly your plan all along. Outside, your neighbor looks at the sky and says,
कहते हैं, मौसम बेहतर हो रहा है.
"This is wonderful news because 5 minutes ago the clouds looked personally offended." You want to buy a gift, but the shop is far away. Your practical friend says,
इसे ऑनलाइन मंगाया जा सकता है.
Suddenly the sofa becomes your shopping assistant. Then you try to book a room for tonight, and the clerk sighs with deep life experience.
जल्दी आरक्षण करना चाहिए.
Translation. The world belongs to people who plan. Finally, you raise an eyebrow at a no smoking sign and read,
यहाँ धूम्रपान नहीं करना चाहिए.
The wall has spoken. The wall is strict. Phrase breakdown fun. Now you will hear the key phrases again with quick clues, so your brain can stop pretending it is too busy. Phrase 1.
यहाँ जर्मन बोली जाती है.
Think. Here, German, is spoken. Very useful when you want to know which language rules the room. Phrase 2.
कहते हैं, मौसम बेहतर हो रहा है.
Think. They say, the weather is getting better. Excellent for forecasts, neighbors, and dramatic sky watching. Phrase 3.
इसे ऑनलाइन मंगाया जा सकता है.
Think. It, online, can be ordered. Perfect for modern life and maximum laziness with minimum shame. Phrase 4.
जल्दी आरक्षण करना चाहिए.
Think. Early, reservation, should do. A phrase built from wisdom, regret, and fully booked weekends. Phrase 5.
यहाँ धूम्रपान नहीं करना चाहिए.
Think. Here, smoking, not, should do. Firm, clear, and healthier for everybody in the building. Mini dialogue theater. Time for tiny dialogues. Read them, hear them, and enjoy the fact that nobody in these scenes has their life fully together. A. What language do people use here? B.
यहाँ जर्मन बोली जाती है.
A. Is the weather still terrible? B.
कहते हैं, मौसम बेहतर हो रहा है.
A. Do I need to go to the store? B. No.
इसे ऑनलाइन मंगाया जा सकता है.
A. Why are all the rooms gone? B.
जल्दी आरक्षण करना चाहिए.
A. Can I smoke here? B. No.
यहाँ धूम्रपान नहीं करना चाहिए.
Memory tricks that actually behave. Let's glue the phrases into your memory with silly images, because your brain loves drama more than grammar. Picture a giant glowing sign on a wall.
यहाँ जर्मन बोली जाती है.
Even the coffee machine speaks with authority. Imagine angry clouds leaving the stage while the sun wears sunglasses and announces,
कहते हैं, मौसम बेहतर हो रहा है.
See a lazy cat shopping from a tablet and proudly declaring,
इसे ऑनलाइन मंगाया जा सकता है.
The cat is efficient. You should respect the cat. Picture a hotel dog booking the last room before you embarking.
जल्दी आरक्षण करना चाहिए.
Humiliating, but memorable. Now imagine a stern wall, yes, the wall again, saying,
यहाँ धूम्रपान नहीं करना चाहिए.
when architecture gives advice, listen. Quick challenge. Now answer in your head before I give the line. No pressure, just a tiny heroic moment for you. How do you say, German is spoken here?
यहाँ जर्मन बोली जाती है.
How do you say, they say the weather is getting better?
कहते हैं मौसम बेहतर हो रहा है.
How do you say, one can order that online?
इसे ऑनलाइन मंगाया जा सकता है.
How do you say, one must reserve early?
जल्दी आरक्षण करना चाहिए.
How do you say, one must not smoke here?
यहाँ धूम्रपान नहीं करना चाहिए.
Friendly wrap up. You did great, and unlike that imaginary traveler, you are now better prepared for real life and dramatic signage. Today you practiced 5 strong Hindi phrases.
यहाँ जर्मन बोली जाती है. कहते हैं मौसम बेहतर हो रहा है. इसे ऑनलाइन मंगाया जा सकता है. जल्दी आरक्षण करना चाहिए.
And,
यहाँ धूम्रपान नहीं करना चाहिए.
thanks for listening and learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the Hindi slowly, and come back again until these phrases feel natural in your mouth and not just impressive in your head.